Yes, you don't have to say anything. Yeah. Let me see if it's recording. Yeah, it is recording. Okay. So, hello. This is me, Chalo Diaz, in some hidden place in London, and basically I like to call this video Unplug. And why do I call it Unplug? Because I just want to I want to create this picture. I want to imagine I can go back in the past and meet my younger me. And I'm just think what I like to say to my younger me. Yeah. And I'm saying this because at this moment I'm low. Yes, like you could say I feel depressed. So it's these moments that I feel that I can be most inspirational. And also, even if I'm not inspirational, if I'm not inspirational, it doesn't matter. I'm here to express how I feel. And today I have feel that sharing with people, the camera person, I gain more knowledge on how people go through lives, and also I see the world not on one dimension. And this is what I'm saying to you. I'm telling you what I said to me. Don't use it as a permanent thing. Use it as a reference. I'm only one dimension. So my words, whatever you get from me, is only one perspective. So always question. I might be right. I might be wrong. It doesn't matter. I'm just here to project my ideas. And what I'm saying, if I was gonna go back to the future, what I will tell to myself, my younger version, I will say, don't listen to what your parents tell you. Just ignore what the government tells you. It's just basically everything, religion, politics, everything that everyone has told you is bullshit. So free yourself from all the boundaries, unplug yourself from all those ideas, and just go with your gut feeling. Go for what you believe. Fear is something that we create. It doesn't exist. If you have fear, what you do, either you stay frozen or you run away. And most likely we all gonna run away. Yes. So, and fear is only something that we create it, and so as we create it, we can destroy it. So be limitless. I will tell my younger me, I will tell my children, take risk. It's okay to fail. We learn by failing, and just try it. Failure brings knowledge. If you don't fail, if you don't make mistakes, if you think you're gonna have a happy life, problems are the ones that make you grow. Yes, keeping on your comfort zone will never make you grow. So that's my message to you, my younger version. Have a lovely day.